The music industry employs far more people than most people realise. I think the partnership began back in 2012. We were looking to develop our own kind of learning programs, and then this link came about. So it's been over 10 years. I think that all the students that have been through here have been able to absorb some of that professional music culture. It makes them aware that, there is a living to be made within the music industry, and that living can be made in all sorts of different ways and at all sorts of different levels. It's not just about being a pop star. I think small grassroots music venues are absolutely integral to the sector. I think these kind of partnerships are incredibly important. Being able to connect the actual professional workplace environment where people are beginning their careers and kind of early development of careers. This whole kind of space really provides those opportunities. Everybody's got to start somewhere. The music industry employs far more people than most people realise. A lot of parents, if they've no connection with the music industry, think if their kids go into music, really what are the opportunities? But in fact, the opportunities are vast. Some of us go into management, some go into merchandising, tour management, graphic design, finance. It's a massive industry. It employs a lot of people. You've got to work hard, you've got to have loads of tenacity, you've got to be part of a team. Everyone's got different skills, different skill sets and different characteristics, and I think recognising that early on is a kind of quite an important transition.